Welcome back to hopefully another race day vlog. It is currently Friday morning. We are scheduled to have the makeup Casella Open 80, the remaining 75 laps, and then also the Senders Call Before You Dig Senders Cup, the 50 lap SK race tonight. Weather all week is saying rain, pretty like bad rain, 80%, 90%. They kind of changed it for the better, I guess you could say. Dropped it down to 50%. Yeah, I mean, it sucks. Another bad forecast. Bad weather is gonna be coming in at some point, but at this rate, this is week 3 of trying to get this race in. We have to try to get it in at this point. I mean, we can't keep pushing. The more we keep pushing stuff back, but we have to make up the limited late model race that was rained out a couple weeks back when we pushed the Casella race to that. So that's later in the year now, the Riley Generators race. So if we keep pushing these events back, eventually you run out of dates and you can't just keep stacking everything on top of each other. We're not gonna be able to do a 50 lap SK race, the Casella Open 80, the Limited 30, the Street Stock 4, like it's just not gonna work. So it's gonna be one of those days that I think there's gonna be quite a few people upset that we're gonna try it, right? We gotta go for it. We'll keep looking at the forecast. It changed. It's down to about 50% to 40%. It says maybe coming in at 5 to 7. And another one says 7 to 9. So it's all over the place. It's definitely, with this weather, 100 degrees, humidity, there's gonna be a storm. So we'll unfortunately probably be dragging tires again. But I mean, if that's what we have to do to get racing, get cars back on track, I mean, eventually, soon, with this many weeks off, fans start not losing interest, but just not keeping in touch. I mean, we could only post so much on social media of the same clips over and over again and come up with different things to keep people entertained and wanting to come back for when we finally get racing again. So we'll see what happens today, but for now, I wasn't gonna mow the grass because it's so dry and I didn't want to kill it, but it's looking like a hayfield, so I gotta mow that. Clean off the track a little bit, fuel up everything. Everyone is saying, oh, you got to get a transfer tank, which I want to. I think I have one, I just don't have it on the back of a truck, so it's kind of useless. Maybe we'll get to that. It's been a long couple weeks of no racing. Hopefully today we get it in. Looking forward to the SK race, 50 laps. We'll see what happens. Thank you guys for tuning into the video today. Let's get going. Got sidetracked already. Trying to jump start our old tractor. Dead yet again. I think we got the alternator swapped out and put a new battery on it, got some wires fixed, and still doesn't start. It just keeps dying on us. Like, we have to keep jump starting the thing, so trying to charge the battery up with the truck and jump start it. If anyone has any ideas about that and how to fix it, let me know. It's an old Ford 3230. I don't know what year, no clue. Old. That's all I know. It just doesn't start anymore for some reason. Like something's live, like there's a live wire somewhere just draining the battery every time. But trying to jumpstart this so we could York rake. We got a whole bunch of new millings right when you pull in the lot, so we were trying to clean that up before the night, so a little last minute. But they were milling the road in town yesterday and they dropped off a whole bunch of, or we got a whole bunch of millings, so trying to level that out before everyone gets here. By myself, so that's something a little sketchy. Jam some stuff into the pedals to try to keep the RPMs up. We'll see if we can get it started. Cha-ching. Got it. Should probably get my truck out of the 4,000 RPM range. Yeah. Got it running. First one of the day. Alright, so finished mowing the grass. There's a lot of, the grass is looking pretty dead. A lot of clover and just not enough rain, which is crazy to say, to keep the grass looking good because we don't have a sprinkler system. The grass is kind of dead right now, so very dusty. Blew off the track, blew off the area, the midway, all that. Now just cleaned off the track trucks. That's what I'm in right now. The Monaco Ford Safety 2. Hooked up to our open trailers to get it out of the way. Gonna go fill this truck up, fill up the fuel jugs, and then move on from there. I got to move some beer around. But other than that, weather, I mean, it's looking a little better, I guess. The chances of rain are down to, it still says 50%, but it's only at 5 o'clock, which kind of sucks. It's like right when practice is, but if we have to can practice, I mean, that's not, it's not too bad. But it's currently 97 degrees, probably, and feels like, what is that, heat index of 100 or whatever. It's hot, and that's all right. If it's hot out and no rain, that's good, but you can see that this heat and this humidity, you kind of see it in the background there. There's some clouds forming, and that's what the night's gonna be like. Just pop up. It'll just be pop-ups that come out of nowhere that they're not even forecasting, but we got to go for it. So let's keep moving. All right, just about 12 o'clock now. It's a little after 12. We looked at the weather again, and it looks like it might rain at like 5 to 6. Just like a quick passing storm and nothing after it. And it's just a 40% chance, so 60% chance it's not going to happen. So we're going for it. We're trying to race today, and I'm just gonna keep doing the day of racing steps, just moving some kegs around. Oh, shouldn't try to back up in video. Moving some kegs around and stocking the towers, then we'll see what the day brings. All right. It's around 1:30 now. Just opening up all the bathrooms. All clean. Look at it. We got the TV, new TV fixed, updated. All the plexiglasses are back to their original form again. This is just showing everyone the bathroom and what shape it's in right now. I mean, everything's looking good. I'm gonna leave this remote out just for when Bonza gets here to turn on everything. But yeah, this is the new bathroom on the Midway that we spent all winter working on and finally got it good. So like in the previous video, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, five toilets in the men's room, 5 urinals. On the women's side, 4, 5, 6, 7. That might be more than I thought there were. And in both of the handicap, we put the changing station. All right, you know what? Alex is gonna be part of this. Made it down to the trailer. Alex is back from the beach. Picked up some hot ladies. Baddies. All right. Practice. Going over practice soon. Open cars are on track. Like 98 degrees out. Track or asphalt temps like 130. Track temp will probably be a little hotter than that. Still says it might rain around 5:30, but it should be a quick passing shower and it should dry up, or it might just burn up. So we'll see. But for now, heading out for practice. Just me, Alex, Scooter, and Thomas right now. So let's get going. Carson, why do you have to yell? Under rain delay. Carson's stuck in the trailer, so he can't run away, but he won't look at the camera. But he's not looking. He won't do it. Say hi, Boo. Mike. Alex. Alex won't talk on the camera either, just off camera. Thomas.
I can make it say whatever I want to make it say.
Yeah, well, under rain delay. It's torrential downpour, blowing by. Hopefully we could dry it off quick and we'll get back out with the tires soon. Just another day. All right, back to this portion of the video yet again where we're dragging tires. Rain came in. Rain for probably 40 minutes or so, pretty bad. It's still currently sprinkling. 7 o'clock. Hopefully it stops here because I mean the sun's out still, which is definitely beneficial. Looks like the wind died, which doesn't help. But if it stops raining with the sun still out, we might be able to get this dry fairly quickly because it was pretty warm out all day. It was 90s earlier, now it's 70. So it's nice that the temperature dropped, but it's not really going to help us dry the track. So hopefully the rain stops. We'll see. I'll keep you guys informed. But currently 7 o'clock. We almost got both rounds of practice in. Had to stop. Heat races got canceled, and we're changing up the order a little bit because we're still trying to get this open race in. So we might be moving that up in the schedule. But just another rainy race day. All right, so it's now, I'm looking a little dirty. Yeah, it's hot out still. It's now 7:40. Track is currently dry. We're trying to get pit road a little more dry. I jumped on the tow behind blower to move some puddles around. Had all the tires out there, so it dried up pretty quick. We're just trying to get pit road cleaned up and then move a couple more puddles on all of our access roads. And we should be in good shape and ready to go. So I started running at 5:40, 2-hour delay. So we're getting close, calling cars out back now. All right, good news. We're up next. I think we're starting third, which is pretty good. So let's get the feature racing.
Everyone's rolling. Still out there. Still there, 2x2 all the way. Still out there. Still there. If he's killing you too much, you gotta do something. Still 2x2 all the way. Talk to me when you can.
Flat. Let's just make sure everything's good on that right front. Just check the radiator. I think it's fine.
Ready, drinker good. Everyone's rolling. Clear. Clear. Nice job being heads up there. Still green. Still green. Yellow. Is it pushing like a truck, Dave, on that right front?
Not bad yet, but I feel like it will. It's alright, just not getting all we can.
Space car is off. Be ready. Be ready. Green, green, green. Everyone's rolling. Got the 21 with you. Still in there. Clear to the bottom. Clear, clear, clear. Still out there? Clear. Yellow, yellow, one back to the 7. Face cars off, be ready, be ready. Greg, we're good. Everyone's rolling. Down, 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 down. Back inside, 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 inside. Still lined up. Keep fighting. Clear to the bottom. Alright, back inside. Clear. Back in there, 5. Alright, get your head back in this. You're out there like you're on a Sunday cruise. Still in there? Clear. Question on restart. I know we're in the back now, but none of them look great. Do we have something like a clutch issue or just timing?
I just didn't go.
Well, maybe start, or we could just park it.
I started in high gears in the back there, and that other one, they were hitting each other, and there was no reason to do that.
10-4.
Gotta remember, this nose is doing nothing right now. Like through the center, I gotta like ease it just to get the thing to turn without just hooking the right rear.
10-4, 1 coming on the bottom. Pace cars off, be ready. Be ready. Green, green, green. Everyone's rolling. Clear all around. Back out there. 23. You're clear all around. Slow one on the bottom. You'll get them into 3. Still out there. Still there. Clear. Just so you know, I don't know what this 07's going to do. It's Brian on the radio, and he's a bad driver, I guess. So when you're going in on entry, leaving it open like that, I don't know if he's going to bob it in there in Superior, or if he's smart enough to realize that it's not worth it. Everyone, still green. Keep rolling. 3 wide top. Still 3 wide top. Clear. Clear all around. Yellow, 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 yellow.
And there it is, mid-pack of cars. Baldwin tries to go down underneath Bissett. That didn't work.
The guy that just made 3 wide just wrecked.
Yep. Pace cars off. Be ready. Be ready. Green, green, green. Everyone's rolling. Still out there. Clear behind the 21 if you want to roll this up. Half back to 99. 5 to go right here. 5-4. there, even. Clear. Low, keep it low. Slow one up top. You see him there? Come on, fight for it. Low, 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 low. Everyone's roll with Boogie, Boogie. Yellow. What do you got?
Wrecked, rear end tore out of the thing.
Trouble.
And now Owen out of shape, saves the car, will lose a bunch of spots in car number 81 as the to the
trouble.
inside.
Further
Kopech's
back
out
in
of
the
shape.
field. We've got several cars. The 21 of Bassett, 75 of David Arute had no place to go.
David Arute.
David Arute, you can see the right rear suspension is broken away and shifted back. It dart to the outside, and there's David Arute getting out of the Monaco Ford machine.
Oh, that was a nice and hot race. Bounced around like crazy. Just one of those nights. Ended up wrecked, broke the rear trailing arm, tore out of it, drive shaft fell out of it. Just not the best night. Quite a bit of damage. That first accident, this caster bar got bent, so they straightened it with a jack. Now what took us out? That was broken. And then you'll see a broken shock. Probably needs a rear clip. It's not looking too good. So when the rear got tore out, you can see it's damaged the fuel cell. That bar on the other side's bent. Thank you. It's the next morning now. Got late last night after the rain delay and long night. It was like midnight, so here, give an update this morning. Just finished up picking up the trash, cleaning up the track. Car's in rough shape, so I'm just about done. Gonna head back to the shop soon. Probably got to tear it apart, and it might need a rear clip because when the rear got tore out of it, it pulled back and hit the chassis and broke a bar. So I think it might have moved a little bit of suspension, and just not ideal. Just one of those nights where, was it the bug or the windshield? And I guess that was the bug that got splattered. I don't know. I guess that's how the saying goes. Yeah, just rough all around. I don't know. Bounced around early. Car wasn't the best for, I mean, it was good for what we had. I mean, the old right front tire, bent upper, bent caster bar. It was okay. Drove up to 10th or so, dodged a whole bunch of wrecks in the middle of a lot of them. Just couldn't finish the race, unfortunately. Couldn't miss that last one, and it tore the rear out of the car, and that was that. And I think the worst part about last night overall is besides just hitting the wall, I hit the dang Stafford sign, and now I gotta repaint it. But we were able to beat Mother Nature this time, get the track dry, get racing, get a full night of racing in, besides the heat races, but every division race, which was great. Lots of good racing, some new winners this year. Christopher won both the Open and the SK, which was pretty cool. I think the last time someone did that, oh man, I'll have to look that up. Maybe it was Keith or, oh man, I don't know. Maybe Keith, I'm trying to think. Oh, Williams maybe, or Rowan Pennick, or maybe even Ted Beck. Yeah, I don't know the last time someone's done both in one night, so we'll have to look that up. It'll be pretty cool to know. But thank you guys for watching this video. Not the best night of racing for me. Just one of those nights, how it goes. yeah, just hopefully we could turn things around here. I mean, we are racing Wednesday night at Seekonk, and then we also have to get the SK fixed. So I'll probably be putting together a video of us tearing it apart and getting it fixed, and then another one for Open Wheel Wednesday, hopefully. So busy week coming up. Expect a couple more videos. Maybe we'll do some giveaways in the next one. But thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for commenting. It's helps keep me going on these videos for everyone that's enjoying them, and a lot of people stop by and say hi, which is great. So if you guys are at the track, make sure you stop. Let me know what you guys think about the videos. It's great to talk to you guys. And if you're coming out to Seekonk, we'll be there with the tour mod, and we'll see you then. Peace.